And as per a clinical test on COVID patients, the government is saying that via allopathy, COVID patients are cured in an average of 12 days, while via Ayurveda, COVID patients have been cured in just over 7 days.
Let food be Thai medicine and medicine be Thai food. Ayurveda doesn't just treat disease, it nurtures balance, harmony, and wellness through food, lifestyle, and holistic living. But here's the challenge. In today's Ayurvedic hospitals and clinics, diet charts are still handwritten by doctors, time consuming, error prone, and difficult to manage at scale. Meanwhile, modern diet software focuses solely on calories, proteins, and vitamins, completely overlooking Ayurvedic concepts such as the 6 states, Shad Rasas, digestive properties, or the balance of doshas. This gap between modern nutritional science and Ayurvedic wisdom leaves practitioners struggling to provide personalized care, and patients often miss out on the true healing potential of Ayurveda. That's where our problem statement comes in, Annapurna Veda, comprehensive cloud-based practice management and nutrient analysis software for Ayurvedic dietitians. Our vision is to create a platform that bridges this gap, where technology meets tradition, a software that empowers Ayurvedic dietitians to generate accurate Ayurveda-compliant diet charts, manage patient health records seamlessly, and analyze both nutritional and Ayurvedic properties with equal precision. In simple words, we are designing not just a digital diet planner, but a holistic wellness companion, one that redefines how Ayurveda is practiced in the digital age. Welcome to Annapurna Veda, where ancient Ayurvedic wisdom meets modern technology. This is our home and login page, featuring the Government of India emblem and the National Ayush Mission logo for authenticity. New users can quickly create an account by entering basic details, while existing users can sign in with ease. The page also highlights Ayurveda as our green gold, along with the visuals of herbs and insightful information from the Ministry of Ayush. This simple yet informative page acts as a gateway to our platform. We begin with the user's physical details, where our system instantly calculates their BMI. This creates the foundational data for the personalized wellness plan. Next, we capture key lifestyle data like sleep, stress, and digestion patterns. This holistic approach ensures the user's plan is realistic and tailored to their daily life. To ensure user safety, this screen captures crucial medical information and allergies. Our AI uses this to filter out any harmful recommendations from their plan. Here, users define their dietary preferences, from vegan to specific food dislikes. This ensures we generate a plan they will genuinely enjoy and stick to. What makes us unique in our Ayurvedic dosha assessment? By answering a few simple questions, users discover the unique mind and body type for deeper personalization. Now let's explore the core output, My Diet Plan. This is where all the users' data comes together. At the top, they can track their daily calories and macronutrient intake. Below, they have a detailed day-by-day meal plan with specific suggestions like oatmeal with berries for breakfast and grilled chicken salad for lunch. It's a clear, simple, and powerful tool for healthy eating. With our Generate Recipe feature, users can input ingredients they already have, like tomato, chickpea, and avocado. After applying filters for cooking time or diet, our system instantly generates a simple recipe card with prep time, calories, and step-by-step instruction. This makes healthy cooking quick, creative, and completely waste-free. Now our next feature, Nearby Clinics, which connects users to real-world support. Our Nearby Clinics feature allows users to search for local health and wellness centers on a map. They can easily find clinics in their areas, view their details, and get the professional help they might need. This makes our platform a complete health ecosystem supporting the users both online and off. We believe technology should support, not replace, expert medical advice. That's why our Consult a Professional page acts as a curated directory, connecting users directly with a network of verified doctors, Ayurvedic physicians, and expert dietitians. Users can easily find a specialist and their contact information, making it simple to seek personalized real-world guidance. Inspired by Ayurvedic principles of food pairing, our Food Compatibility Checker is a unique tool for smarter eating. Users can enter 2 food items like avocado and almonds to instantly analyze their interaction. The system generates a compatibility report that flags potential nutritional conflicts and ensures the combination aligns with the user's personal dietary profile. Our Exploring Doshas page educates users on 3 core energies of Ayurveda. It explains Vata, the energy of movement, Pitta, the energy of metabolism, and Kapha, the energy of structure. Understanding these helps the user follow their personalized recommendations to achieve balance and optimal health. To ensure user trust and accountability, we've integrated customer complaint form. This feature provides a direct and structured channel for users to submit any grievances. Crucially, it allows them to select the specific government ministry under which their complaint should be registered, ensuring a feedback reaches the correct authorities. This streamlines the resolution process and reinforces our commitment to bring a responsible and transparent platform. A plan is nothing without action. The task overview page is designed to drive daily engagement and build healthy habits. We provide a dynamic overall wellness score to motivate the user. Their day is broken down into actionable checklists for their routine, nutrition, and exercise. As they complete the task, they can check them off, helping them stay consistent and on track towards their goal.
हमें मिलकर इसे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा देशों तक पहुंचाना है। आयुर्वेद को मान्यता दिलवानी है। ये तीनों आयुष हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को नई गति देंगे। आयुर्वेद इलाज से आगे बढ़कर वेलनेस की बात करता है, वेलनेस को प्रमोट करता है।
दुनिया ट्रीटमेंट के साथ ही वेलनेस को महत्व दे रही है और वेलनेस की बात होती है, जब आरोग्यता की बात होती है तो इसमें भारत के पास हजारों वर्ष पुराना अनुभव है। परिणाम दिखता है, प्रमाण अवेलेबल नहीं होता है। हमें परिणाम भी चाहिए, प्रमाण भी चाहिए, ताकि हमें दुनिया को दिखाना है कि हमारे पास विश्व के आरोग्य की जड़ी बूटी पड़ी हुई है। इस अभियान के तहत आयुर्वेद के सिद्धांतों पर हम हर व्यक्ति के लिए आइडियल लाइफस्टाइल डिजाइन कर सकते हैं। हम बीमारियों के आक्रमण से पहले ही उन लोगों के लिए रिस्क एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं। मैं मानता हूं इस दिशा में सकारात्मक प्रगति हमारे हेल्थ सेक्टर को पूरी तरह से रीडिफाइन कर सकती है। हम पूरी दुनिया को हेल्थ केयर का नया पर्सपेक्टिव दे सकते हैं।
And this is Annapurna Veda, where technology meets tradition and Ayurveda meets innovation. We started with the problem of manual inefficient diet charts, and today we present a holistic digital solution that makes diet planning smarter for doctors and wellness easier for patients. As Ayurveda teaches us, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. This isn't just a software, it's a step towards a healthier tomorrow where India's heritage leads global wellness. Because true health isn't a trend, it's a tradition.